Hey kids, let's learn about daily objects today. Here we go. A for alarm. Alarm helps us wake up in the morning. A for apron. We wear apron in the kitchen while cooking. A for apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. A for AirPod. We listen to music with AirPods. So alarm, apple, apron and AirPod. Now comes B. B for brush. You should brush your teeth every day. B for bucket. We fill water in bucket. B for bottle. We drink water with bottle. And B for book. Reading a book every day makes us very smart. Brush, bottle, bucket and book. Now comes C. C for cup. We drink our tea or coffee in the cup. C for chair. We sit on the chair. C for comb. We comb our hair. C for cushion. Well, it gives us comfort while relaxing. Cup, comb, chair and cushion. Now comes D. D for door. Helps us open or close the gate. D for dustbin. We throw our garbage in dustbins. D for dryer. It helps dry wet hair. D for diary. We write our thoughts in the diary. So door, dryer, dustbin and diary. Now let's look at E. E for egg. We eat yummy eggs for breakfast. E for envelope. It keeps our letters safe. E for eraser. But it helps erase the writing. And E for eyeglasses. It helps us see when our eyes are little weak. Egg, eraser, envelope and eyeglasses. Now let's look at F. F for fan. It gives us cool air in summers. F for fridge. Keeps all food items cool and fresh. F for footwear. Helps us run faster. F for fork. Well, we eat noodles or salad with it. Fan, footwear, fridge and fork. G. Now we'll see G. Grapes. We eat yummy grapes. G for glove. They keep our hands protected in cold weather. G for glue. It helps fix broken things. G for gift. A happy surprise for our loved ones. Grapes, glue, glove and gift. Now comes H. H for hat. We wear it on our head to look stylish. H for hanger. We hang our clothes with it. H for helmet. It protects our head from falling. And H for heater. Keeps us warm. Hat, helmet, hanger and heater. Now comes I. I for iron. It helps us iron our clothes. I for iPad. We watch movies and we work here. I for ice. Makes water or drinks super cool instantly. And I for ink. Well, our pens need it to write. Iron, ice, iPad and ink. Now comes J. J for jug. It stores water for drinking. J for jeans. Trousers which look super stylish on you. J for jacket. Wear it and stay protected from cold. J for juicer. It gives us fresh juice from fruits. Jug, jacket, jeans and juicer. And now comes K. K for knife. It cuts fruits, vegetables and a lot more things. K for key. Helps open the lock. K for ketchup. Doubles the taste when eaten with snacks. And K for keyboard. Type anything on laptop using keyboard. Knife, ketchup, key and keyboard. Let's now look at L. Lamp. Lamp provides light to the room. L for laptop. Laptop helps us with work. L for lunchbox. We pack our food for lunch using lunchbox. Lock. Keeps our house safe. So lamp, lunchbox, laptop and lock. Now comes M. M for mug. We drink coffee or tea in mugs. M for mop. Mop helps us clean the floor. M for microwave. It instantly heats our food. M for milk. Drink it to feel stronger. So mug, microwave, mop and milk. Now comes N. N for napkin. Helps us clean up after every meal. N for notebook. Let's write our homework in the notebook. N for newspaper. Read it to stay updated with everything around you. N for neck pillow. Supports your neck during traveling. So napkin, newspaper, notebook and neck pillow. Now comes O. O for onion. It's a vegetable, but it can make you cry. O for oil. Helps us make our food. O for orange. Orange is a yummy and citrusy fruit. O for oats. A very healthy breakfast option. Onion, orange, oil and oats. Now comes P. P for plate. We eat our foods in plate. P for pen. Pen helps us write. P for plant. It's a beautiful gift of nature which gives us oxygen to live. And P for paint. Makes the world colorful. Plate, plant, pen, paint. Now comes Q. Q for quilt. Quilts keep us warm. Q for quinoa. It's a healthy food item. Q for Q. Well, we should stand next to each other. And Q for quiz. A game show where you ask questions. Quilt, Q, quinoa and quiz. Now comes R. R for remote. Helps you switch channels on TV. R for rural. Ruler measures things for you. R for raincoat. Saves you from getting wet in the rain. R for rack. Helps you organize your stuff. So remote, raincoat, ruler and rack. Now comes S. S for soap. Helps us stay clean. S for sofa. We sit on it for comfort. S for shampoo. Keeps our hair clean. And S for speaker. For whenever you need loud music to dance. Soap, shampoo, sofa, speaker. Now comes T. T for TV. TV is for our entertainment. Watch movies, cartoons. T is for tray. Helps us serve tea to guests. T for table. We keep our things on table. T for trolley. We use it in shopping malls to store stuff. TV, table, tray and trolley. Now comes U. U for umbrella. Umbrella protects us from rain. U for uniform. Well, the clothes which we wear for school or work. U for utensils. For cooking and serving food. And U for USB cable. Helps connect to laptops, mobiles. Umbrella, utensil, uniform, USB cable. Now comes V. V for vacuum cleaner. Cleans the floor instantly. V for van. A minibus which takes you to school every day. V for vinegar. Makes your Chinese food or salads more tasty. And V for vase. Holds flowers and makes our houses more beautiful. Vacuum cleaner, vinegar, van and vase. Now comes W. Watch. Watch tells time. W for wallet. Wallet stores our money and all important documents. W for window. Get fresh air in our homes. And W for whiteboard. Write all your important ideas here. So watch, window, wallet, whiteboard. Now comes X. X for xylophone. We play music on it. X for Xmas tree. It is the Christmas tree. Santa Claus. X for Xbox. We play games through Xbox. And X for X-ray. Doctors can see bones inside our body through X-ray. Xylophone, Xbox, Xmas tree and X-ray. Now comes Y. Y for yogurt. Soft creamy food which is super healthy, super tasty. Y for yarn. We use it to knit our sweaters. Y for yoga mat. Do yoga on it and keep yourself fit. And Y for yacht chair. A comfy seat to help you relax in your garden. Yogurt, yoga mat, yarn and yacht chair. Now comes Z. Z for zip. We slide it up and down to open or close our clothes or bag. Z for zucchini. A green veggie that looks like cucumber. Z for zodiac chart. A fun star map which tells our birthday signs. And Z for Ziploc bag. Little plastic bag which helps keep snacks safe. Zip, zodiac chart, zucchini and Ziploc bag. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more, please like, share and subscribe. Bakbak Bachche.